So here I'm again with a query, like if your my maximum CPC on my keywords is $3.61, then still I'm getting $5 range clicks. So in case if you are running a campaign on Google Ads and you see like you have set your maximum CPC for let's say a keyword at 0.15, and then eventually you see like a click of $0.3 or $0.4, so you must be surprised on why it is happening with me, like why I am overpaying than my desired budget, or why Google is charging than my desired budget. So there can be few reasons. It can be ad rank, ad auction, but adjustments. But in my opinion, the reason behind this is enhanced CPC. When you are running campaigns, Google give you an option to set, let's say for this campaign, if I move on to the settings, let me show you where you can set enhanced CPC and how does it impact you. Let's say over here, okay, in case if you have set up enhanced CPC, you may be like, enhanced CPC can help you get more conversions from manual bidding. eCPC works by raising your maximum CPC bids for clicks that seems more likely to lead conversions and lowering your maximum CPC for clicks which seems less likely to convert. So in case if you have take this, so then eventually Google may charge you higher than your designed budget for a specific click, and Google may charge you lower than your designed budget for a click, which Google may think that this won't likely get to be converted. So if you have take this option, this can make this happen, that you may be charged more than your desired cost, and you must be like, why I'm paying. So people don't know, but people have set the enhanced CPC on their ads, and that is why they are being charged more than the assigned budget. Or in case if you are expecting $3.6 average CPC, then eventually your CPC cost improved, then that can be the reason due to ad rank. Your ad rank suddenly disapproved. Odd action people, there were suddenly new competitors coming on to target for, or there is a new wide range of advertisers coming to target on the same industry or same niche as you are, or there are automatic adjustments, or any bid stimulator you have turned on. You might knowingly or unknowingly, like in devices bidding, you can improve your bid, and bid adjustment increase or decrease, so you may not know. But the prime reason is enhanced CPC, which is the reason which is why you may be charged more than your assigned budget, and you don't know, and you must be like, oh, so that is the reason. With this, I like to end this video. I hope you like this video, and in case if you want your question to be answered, please write in the comments box, and I will be happy to create a video on this. Once again, thank you for watching this video. Thank you and bye bye.